Today, I want to review something that we did earlier. I hope I'm now live and it's clear. I want to review something that we did earlier. I started this series of 5 Luo words a day, but somehow we were not able to pick it up because either there was no interest or we had very few subscribers then. So now we want to do 5 Luo words a day again and see where we get with it. So this is day number 51. I had already done day 1 through to day 50. They are in the channel, so you can always just go in and check how the channel looks. But you can also request or ask for a review of all the work that we've done. So today we talk about these words: andiu, andiwi, andiwo, ando, and ando. Andiu, andiwi, andiwo, ando, and ando. Ando. So what do they mean? Let's go to the first one. The first one says andiu. Andiu is a small basket, just like this picture. It is a small basket, and in a sentence you can say oketo olemo e andiu mondo welo ocham. Oketo olemo e andiu mondo welo ocham. Oketo olemo e andiu mondo welo ocham. Okay? That's an example of that andiu. Now the second one I will talk about is andiwi. Andiwi, just like andiu, andiwi are small baskets. So they are small baskets used for keeping food. So you can say magi gin andiwi mag kano chiemo. Magi gin andiwi mag kano chiemo. Margaret Clory, asante sana. Thank you for liking the stream. Magi gin andiwi mag kano chiemo. The third one is andiwo. Andiwo is white sorghum. Andiwo is white sorghum that ferments and is used for preparing alcoholic drinks. Dennis Omolo, thank you so much for liking the stream. So in a sentence you can say ma en kal mar loso andiwo. Ma en kal mar loso andiwo. So this is sorghum for preparing alcoholic drinks. So andiwo is an alcoholic drink, especially those are traditionally brewed like busa, changa. You can talk of someone taking andiwo. Okao andiwo, that means they're imbibing. Kizungu says imbibing. I don't know the Kizungu word. Then the third one is ando. Ando. Ando means small ears. Small ears. That's ando. So in a sentence you can say diel ni kod it mag ando. Diel ni kod it mag ando. So the goat has very tiny ears. Then there is ando. Ando. Ando are small white pebbles. Oh, that thing doesn't show. My bad. There you go. Ando, small white pebbles. So you can see, as the picture suggests, adwa loso dala na kod kite mag ando. I want to organize my home. I want to landscape my home using small white pebbles. So adwa loso dala na kod kite mag ando. Adwa loso dala na kod kite mag ando. Good. So let's move on and see what we have next. Now, what we have is on day 52, we have ando, anduango, andororo, anduayo. And anduayo is twice. It's the one that is hiding down there. So ando, anduango, andororo, anduayo. What do they mean? So ando is an adverb, and it means swiftly. So, sibuor ne onego leno ando. Sibuor ne onego leno ando. So that's swiftly. Aduongo is a thorn bush or Hygrophila auriculata. Hey, auriculata, whatever. Anduongo ne ochwoyo bamne seche mane olawo sude. Anduongo ne ochwoyo bamne seche mane olawo sude. So the anduongo, it hurt her thigh while she was chasing the wild dog. Sude. Then there is andururu. Andururu is a motorboat, and this name comes from the way it, you know, the motorboat, the way it makes a sound. It makes a sound. That's why we call it andururu. Andururu is a motorboat. So you say adwa the echula kod andururu. Adwa the echula kod andururu. I want to go to the island via a motorboat. Then there is andwayo. Andwayo is bitterness. Andwayo, bitterness. Nyuka otimo andwayo. Nyuka otimo andwayo. So nyuka is gruel, or there's another name I forgot. Grits. If you're from the Western world, it's called grits. Grits is bitter because it has made some milk. Then the last one for the day is anuayo. Anuayo. Anuayo is a prostitute. Anuayo. Now I wrote anuayo, but it means anuayo. Anuayo makisumo onge which quote. Anuayo makisumo onge which quote. Now I want to stop this video, and maybe I come back with another one, because I'm told that the videos are too long and people want the short form video. So I'll come back in a minute with another video of 5 Luo words.